Back is a girl, Saviour Magic. Today, I'm going to be sharing guys the very good benefits of black sesame seed. Black sesame seed is one of the richest seed on planet base, as in when it comes to the planet Earth. All right, because it's very rich. It's rich in vitamin E, which is needed for our healthy skin. Black sesame seed helps when it comes to preventing diabetes. It cures anemia, any cardiovascular health. It has anti-cancer properties. It helps with digestive health. It relieves you from arthritis. It's very high in protein. It's healthy for your skin. You can use it in cooking. It helps to lessen anxiety, prevents damage from radiation. It helps out to flush out toxins from your body. So now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the oil. All right, the oil can be used for cooking. That means you don't have to fry the oil because it will lose the properties. You can put it on your salad. You can add it to your soup, your stew. You can add it to your hair. You can add it to your body. It has a lot of benefits. If you are using black sesame seed oil on your body, it prevents you from having blemishes, pimples, acne. If you are using it on your hair, it prevents you from having itchy scalp, dandruff, and so on. So all I went to do, I added about 4 tablespoons into my blender, and I added 1 cup of raw, unrefined organic olive oil. Okay, please make sure you are using organic, non-refined oil, any organic oil of your choice to make this recipe. Don't use refined oil. Okay, so and another good thing I love about sesame seed or the oil is that it's loaded with essential minerals such as magnesium, copper, iron, phosphorus, and calcium, which are the minerals we need for our day-to-day activities. It promotes bone health and prevents osteoporosis. It prevents tooth decay or halitosis, if you're having any teeth problem. It prevents bleeding gum, dry throat, fights free radicals, name it, and it prevents hangover. Yes, if you are suffering from hangover. So after blending it, pour it in a can, or I don't know, pour it in a what's it called, in a container like that. You can use it like a paste, or you can strain out the oil. In this case, I strain out the oil because I want to make use of the oil. So while the remaining seeds, I add it inside my salad or my soup, or I want to make smoothie. It's very, very good, and it contains a lot of fiber. Okay, so if you are coming across my page for a very first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like our page, share our videos, and drop where you're watching from. See you guys in my next video. Bye.